Hi there, this is our Colchester Bantam 2000. It's quite a late model Bantam. It's in really good condition. It's been well looked after and it's quite tidy. 3-phase. It's got the separate coolant system on wheels out the back, and then your drawer here, and then the high and low ratio electrically, so it's got quite a few gears there. This light plugs into a separate 240 volt supply there. I don't have coolant in it and I haven't tried that light in regards to that bulb, but I don't see any problems there. It's got a new plug and it's been recently tested. So we'll start from the back. You've got your coolant set up here, your splash guard, a wee valve there for your coolant flow, etc. It's tidy under here. Someone's fitted a gearbox drain there for convenience. The bed looks in good condition. I can't feel any ridges there. You've got your emergency brake there. This end's really tidy. Okay, we'll start with the tail stock. That lock's working nicely, going in and out nicely, and that other lock's working nicely as well. And that taper up there feels really tidy. Metric and imperial there, and metric and imperial indicators here, but I think the main one is metric there. Alright, the carriage looks really tidy. It's got the quick change tool post with quite a few holders, so that's moving really nicely. Cross slide feels good, and hardly any movement in there, a little bit. Compound slide's nice to move, and a little bit of movement in there. Okay, we'll power it up and take you through the feeds. So that's forward, neutral and then reverse. Emergency stop, that's working well. So I'm in 100 RPM there. I've got the lead screw and feed shaft going, so that's neutral and then the other direction. Neutral, then the other direction, and your different speeds. It's going through nicely, and your feed speeds here, and that's going in and out nicely. So I'll try and put it on the fastest one there, probably about there. So I'll engage that lead screw. It's coming towards me, that's engaged nicely, and I can move that the other direction so the carriage goes that way. So I'll disengage that, and I'll engage the feeds there, so that's feeding the carriage that way. That's engaging and disengaging nicely, and I'll engage the feed to the cross slide, and so that's coming out towards you. So that's all working very nicely. I'll take you through some of the speeds now. So low range, slowest speed will be B, C, G, and low, that's 40 RPM. If I switch that to high, BCG, it'll be 85 RPM and high. Next one, BCF, will be 70 RPM and low, and in high 330. I'll jump up in the speeds a bit. BC, BDF, BD, D, and low is 165. And in high will be 330. And BDG will give us 205. And in high would give us, oh, that was in high. I'll take you through to another one, say 410 ACF, ACF, and low will be 410. and take you up to say 605 will be ADF, 605, take you up to the higher range, ACF, and high will be 820, ADG, and high will be 1220, and last one, ADF, will be its highest speed 2000. So that's most of the speed range there. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. So yeah, it's a nice compact English wheel lathe, reasonably late model for the Bantams, and yeah.